Hi you guys, we are transplanting that corn that I had originally started in these cardboard egg containers. You can see all I've done is I have just cut down the side of those two. This other one in front is just tomatoes. And if you look at the actual soil here, like you can see that this gray, this isn't dirt, that's actually the cardboard. So I left it as one row, and then the second row I covered it and patted it down lightly with this dirt or soil, which the day before I went ahead and I thoroughly watered it. And then what you would do is take your little milk cartons or any single-use plastic like this that you can get a second or third life from, and you can see the watermarks down here. I've used this a couple years. I'll just take it in the shed and store it for next year and keep collecting as I go along. And if you can see here, here's the row of everything that I'm going to use. But you want to bring this about to around here. And before I do that, I'm going to go through and I'm going to water this entire bed very well, and then I'm going to put this over all of the plants. That way it will just sort of sink in and kind of create a little bit of a vacuum. Today is April 28th. Normally, I'm in zone 5. Normally I would be putting these out in probably about 2 weeks. But you can see it's starting to get a little bit yellow here. It was getting tired of that little mini greenhouse. They're actually quite tall. It was actually time to get them out of the confinement of just that little bit of soil and out of those cardboard containers and let them really enjoy all of the nutrients and the constant moisture of an actual real garden bed. So that's what I'm doing. I am going to cheat with these little mini greenhouses, and we will come back in a couple of weeks and see how it does, and then in a couple of weeks it should be good enough for me to plant everything by seed, and then in front of it will be time to plant a little bit of bean seed, and then that gives the corn a little bit of time to mature, be a little bit older, and a little bit stronger to handle the fact that these runner beans are going to try and pull this corn down. Okay, that's it for the day. Thank you so much. Love you. Subscribe, please.